from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Hyundai Accent here on a 2000 plate. It's an X-Reg, so that's 2000, 2001. I'm doing a position lamp on this. As you can see on the passenger side front, it's working. And on the driver's side, it isn't. The bulb you need is a 501 bulb, which can be found in the description and in one of the links as well. If you look in the description, there'll be a link for it. It is a very easy job, so I'll show you how it's done. Let's do this. Lights off first. Right, okay, so this is basically the plug right there. So what we need to do is we need to twist the plug to the left. So if I do this, twist it to my left, pull the whole thing out. Now that's the bulb we're replacing. So if I take the bulb out, oh, that's not good, because that is going to break. It hasn't been out for a long time. Just be careful when you're doing this as well, because it seems like this will break. Oh, lucky that was. So basically this is it. Right, got a new bulb in my pocket somewhere. I'm going to slot the bulb in and then slot it back in. Just make sure you remember that seal as well, so do not lose the seal whatever you do. What you then do is twist it to your right. Now we're just going to see if it's working. So we're going to check the lights now. As you can see now, that there is working and this one here is working. So what I've done with this one, if you see the headlight itself, you see how clean that headlight is. So what I used was on here, it's a WD-40, so it's a temporary job. I did ask the customer to polish these headlights, which I'm not going to do. But if you look on this side, you can't even see the bulb. So to do it, I'm just going to get spray, a bit of spray, and give it a wipe, and there you've got the light. Now you can even see the bulb on the inside as well. That's all it is on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.